What's up, YouTube fam? Another great day today in Colorado, not snowing anymore. Tonight we got a special night. We're gonna do the oil change on the car with Wombat. Other than that, let's go see the baby. What a cold start this morning, huh? Look it. All right. Woo! We back in the bird, baby. Let's do this. So, like I said earlier, today is a special day for me personally, for the Firebird. Wombat's gonna help me do her first oil change, from me at least. Got some Mobile 1 high mileage 5W30 full synthetic. I'm gonna put in some of that ATP reseal, so hopefully it could run through the shit. Can you see my reflection? I look cool. Oh, she pretty. I love her. Yeah. Okay, so coming out of here, there's a Lambo over there. I don't know what that is. A Huracan, maybe. What's up, guys? I am just getting off of work right now. It is oil change time. About to go to Wombat's crib. He's gonna help me out, and hopefully we can fix his radiators too. And yeah, I'll film there.
Cool. They still make all that much power.
The Easies, the Wombats. We gonna get some food first before we touch this baby. Let her cool down.
We out here though.
We out here.
Looks good here, kitty.
I know. We parked the mirror right here.
No. We got more important shit than that. It's like you're out of blanket fluid almost.
I know, right?
Got a little bit of residual left there. Yeah.
Trunk's a little hard to open, but I got it.
The latch probably.
You already know what it is. Slink,
GQ, baby.
Luke, Blaine, Wombat. We're at GQ right now. We gotta get some barbecue before we do this oil change. You know how it goes. Can't work on an empty stomach, otherwise I'd be too angry. I probably can't even get the the oil filter off, honestly. It's like, what's up, YouTube fam? We back at the house after some good ass barbecue. Wombat's finding the tools that I need to do this, cause it's my first time actually doing an oil change at all, ever. And I'm gonna do it on this baby. Hopefully I don't fuck it up. It's like, I look at a lot of videos. Shout out to TWA Motorsports for giving us the cool Pontiac Firebird Trans Am oil change tutorial. But yeah, we're gonna dive into this. Ask myself like, what's wrong?
I see a lot of faces that don't even know me. Packed a couple papers and I burn them bitches slowly. Yeah, ride around but I never ride lonely. Back at my crib, ask my shorty just to show me all the things I wanna do before 40. Cruising down walls when you play my track for me. I just wanna cop the whip, hey, yeah, please don't hate. This a new type of drip, yeah, you love the taste. This the type of shit, centerfold, make your face look like whoa. I don't know why they haven't known me. Knew me a better version version of the old me. This a new chapter written in the same story. It's the same old thing, I say it with my chest. It's a new chapter, wanna make it the best. My eyes bloodshot, I think I need some rest. Hit you when you don't know, so I suggest to grab the vest. I say some shit that these dudes don't understand. Can't make them think like me, I'm the only man. Yeah, I do some shit that these dudes don't understand. You can see it in my eyes, take a look at these hands. All the things I wanna do before 40. Cruising down walls when you play my track for me. I just wanna cop the whip, hey, yeah, please don't hate. This a new type of drip, yeah, you love the taste. This the type of shit, centerfold, make your face look like whoa. I don't know why they haven't known me. Knew me, a better version of the old me. This a new chapter written in the same story. Yeah. I see a lot of faces that don't even know me. Packed a couple papers and I burn them bitches slowly. Yeah, ride around but I never ride lonely. Back at my crib, ask my shorty just to show me all the things I wanna do before 40. Cruising down walls when you play my track for me. I just wanna cop the whip, hey, yeah, please don't hate. This a new type of drip, yeah, you love the taste. This the type of shit, centerfold, make your face look like whoa. I don't know why they haven't known me. Knew me, a better version of the old me. This a new chapter written in the same story.
Camera's all fucked up. So I just finished my first oil change ever on any car. About to start this baby up for the first time for this oil change. Woo! I think she works.
Where's your trip button?
Up there.
So, you turn it on.
You hold it for like 10 seconds. The light should like flash or something. I think.
Oh, there it goes. Did you see it flash over there?
What was it?
It said oil change.
Oh, okay. So it's reset?
Yeah. But yours never came on anyways.
Yeah, I know. But it's nice to know that I did it.
Yeah, so it's reset. So if you look at it, yours is at 119. You should do it at probably 223 or 220, 220 like 500. 223 500.
Okay.
Is when you should change it again.
Okay.
Alright. Alright, so now get a rag.
What's up? Finally back home after a long day. Hold up. Turn on these lights. Finally home after a long day. Shout out to Wombat for helping me with the oil change. Shout out to the boys for just being there, keeping me company. It was a success. It was easy. I know what you guys are thinking. Damn, this guy's never done an oil change. Well, no, I haven't. Okay, I didn't want to. My Pathfinder, my uncle always did it. Might as well just make him do it. So, but boom, I'm gonna be doing oil changes on the Firebird from now on. But yeah, then we put the ATP reseal leak stuff in there. So hopefully in 500 miles or 5 hours of driving or something, it'll seal that oil leak. And yeah, so yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for tuning in. Please subscribe, comment, like, hit the bell by the notification subscribe button, right? Sorry, I'm so new to YouTube. And yeah, just make sure you stay tuned. Thank you.